The water cycle. Let's take a look into how water moves. The water cycle is the path that water takes as it moves from the land to the sky and back again. There are 4 main stages that make up the water cycle. Each stage changes the state of the water between liquid, vapor, and ice. Stage 1 of the water cycle is evaporation. Evaporation is when the sun heats up water in rivers, lakes, or oceans and turns it into water steam. The water vapor or steam leaves the river, lake, or ocean and goes into the air. Evaporation is also known as transpiration. The sun's heat provides energy to evaporate water from the Earth's surface. Condensation is the second stage of the water cycle. Water vapor in the air gets cold and changes back into liquid, forming clouds. This is called condensation. Condensation is the exact opposite of evaporation. The water vapor that rose because of evaporation has now turned into tiny water droplets. Precipitation occurs when so much water is condensed that the air cannot hold it anymore. The clouds get heavy and water falls back to the earth. When the clouds meet cool air over land, precipitation is triggered. There are multiple forms of precipitation. They include dew, mist, fog, rain, hail, and snow. The final stage of the water cycle is collection. When water falls back to Earth as precipitation, it may fall into the oceans, lakes, or rivers, or it may end up on land. When the water ends up on land, it will either soak into the earth and become groundwater that plants and animals use to drink, or it may run over the soil. The water will then collect in the oceans, lakes, or rivers, where the cycle starts all over again. Check out these cool links to learn more about the water cycle or try a water cycle experiment at home.